Hello everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a long-awaited update. Some of you guys are probably thinking, where have you been? Well, first off, I do apologize for the lack of uploads and with the lack of updates because of work being extremely busy and working with some of the big trains. It's just not having a lot of time to work on the layout some, so I've over the Easter weekend, I was actually able to get some stuff done around the layout, and I'm going to go ahead and start with them now. The Union Pacific locomotive was down briefly due to some wires that were cut a little bit. The casing, actually the insulation, as a matter of fact, was rubbed off and fixed it with some liquid rubber, and it is in good condition and ran it, as a matter of fact, today. And it's getting back in working order as we speak. The Southern Boxcar has been rebuilt with the 6-140/78 truck. Inside the car were actually some metal weights that the previous owner had put in there, so they were re-glued in there. The frame has been painted as well with a fresh coat of black paint, and she's ready for service. Here is the latest addition to the rolling stock. This will lead to something big in a minute. This is the New York Central Ice Docks boxcar made by Lionel. It's manufactured in 1998. Looks pretty cool with the 6-140/78 trucks. Looks pretty cool. Now, this leads to the big addition. We now have the Lionel Ice Depot. As you can see, it's the latest addition here, and we're working on getting this right so the engine will not hit. That's why you see a little piece of copper there for a second. We're trying to get some spacing done with it. So, yeah, and this baby works right. This is actually the reissue of the Ice Depot, and it runs outstanding. The switch has been added as well, so we've already run the wires underneath, and of course we have put the switch here. The billboard has been relocated from here to back at the curve. It is used on the same leg as the trolley and all that. So the only thing that was moved as a brand new hole and refed the wires, and that is in good working condition. And the Marks set is running in place of the 726. The 726 had some work done. It's got to go back because it's got another issue going on. So the Marks set has been taking the 726's place for a brief visit now. It is out and running. I had this serviced right around the 1st of this year, and it's running perfectly. So all the cars are in great order, and this set, as a matter of fact, was manufactured in 1956. It was in a Montgomery Ward catalog from 1956. So this steam engine is old, but let me tell you, it's in really, really good condition. I'll bend it around so you can see. Don't know if I've talked about it, but look at the couplers on these cars and the locomotive. They're so unique. Marks is not a brand that nobody talks about anymore, but Marks is a very unique brand of trains. They did a lot of cool things. They did electric trains and mechanical trains, which they use as a wind-up, run around some track as well. So, yeah. So now this engine is one of our backup steam engines. That will be in use for a little bit while the 726 is down. But that's really it. I have done some work on the layout. I just been now getting around to having some time on my hands. So, yeah, but pretty much everything else hasn't changed that much. A little bit more work on this, and plus the Milwaukee will be coming back soon after getting some parts in. So that's going to be a really, really awesome day there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update on the layout. And I'll be posting some videos on the Marks set running really soon. So that will be known as Marks Madness. As I say, Marks Madness, it's Marks Madness. M-A-R-X, Marks Madness. So I'll definitely put a couple videos of the Marks engine running real soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the updates on the layout, and I hope you guys had some fun looking at this. And I thank you guys for watching.